In this video, we will see how the order is changed from sales order to manufacturing order. First of all, click on the manufacturing application and then click on products, then on bill of materials. Now create a new product as I am creating one with its components, which makes this bill of material. Save the product created, then click on the product inventory to make sure you have checked the manufacturer and buyer outs. Now click on purchase and add a vendor to purchase. Now you can click on the reordering rules on the top as shown on the screen. Here you can add the minimum quantity and maximum quantity of the product to order. Now we have to make a new sales order in order to change it to a manufacturing order. Now I am creating one. Click Save and confirm the order. Now click on the delivery and you will see the order is in the waiting stage to deliver. Now go to the Inventory app and click on the Operations menu, then select Replenishment. Now here you can add minutes quantity and max quantity of the product. Now go to the purchase application and you can see the quotation created by you. Click on the quotation created and click on the confirm order. Now you can see the purchase order is confirmed. Then click on the receive products. You can see the purchase order is shifted from waiting to ready state. Now click on the validate button, then apply. The purchase order is confirmed and done now. After this, you can go to the manufacturing application and then select the manufacturing orders. Here you can find the manufacturing order that was created by you, then mark the product as done after completing the manufacturing order. Now go back to the sales application and click on the receipt. You can see the receipt is ready but not done, so select validate then apply. Now you can see that the order has been changed from sales order to manufacturing order with the complete process.